topper.
Oh.
There you go. It's little.
I need to stand back.
It's little.
Okay, but it still looked like it went some. Okay, do the other one.
Okay. This is the medium confetti streamer cannon thing. All you do is shake it. Oh. Just give a big whack. Big.
Oh.
And now flip it over.
It's working.
I like that one.
Oh,
that
that's
cool.
kind of pretty.
That one's cool.
Works outside very well.
Okay, glittering.
Okay.
Now this is going to be the big boy. You have to do the middle.
Yeah, I think the little one's out.
Yeah.
All right, get set for this recording job. Oh, shh, that's too much.
I like this one.
That's way too much. That would send everybody into orbit. No.